Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. I'm the National Sales Manager for New Age, and I'd like to show you today our lug tub carts. They're designed exactly to fit your needs. Let's start with how do we make them? Well, we make them with aluminum. We're an extruder fabricator. This is primary aluminum. This is how we start. All the carts here are made with this. We do over 4 million pounds of it a year. We're very good at what we do, and I'm going to show you why. Also, before I start, this is our standard caster that we use. It's rated at 135 pounds each. It's a stem caster with a brass ring. It's a really good look caster for what it's got to do, and it's on every one of these carts, and I'm going to show it to you here in a second. So first of all, we have our little single lug tub cart right here. That one's perfect if you're trying to pick and fill in a lower underneath a table. It's a great opportunity for you to work with it that way. If you need to, you can cross stack additional tubs on top of it. So it is a very handy little cart, and it'll work to what your needs are. Now, I've got this double wide cart here that we use. This one is very unique. It was designed to hold 2 wide for the meat grinding, mixing, the tubs, those type of things. So when you're doing the mix, the grind, you can run in about 125 to 150 pounds of product in here and keep it going. So it doesn't allow your grinder head to heat up. It also can be cross-stacked, or you can, if you want to move it like this, if you need it, but you do have a lot of options. It's well supported with the bars underneath, as you can see. This is our double high lug cart. This cart is probably the #1 selling cart we use. And everybody likes it because it's easy to get to. It's open. You can cross stack another tub on top. It fits well below counters, even at this height. It's handy around the kitchen, wherever you need it at. And again, this is the standard tub. Now, I would like to talk to you while we're here about tubs real quick. You know, we use the gray tubs because they do not stain. They don't show any stains. If you need a different kind of tub, we don't have them, but you can buy them about anywhere in any meat processing facility. They're going to give you every color you need in the HACCP. It could be pink, yellow, blue, white, you know, to coincide with whether it's poultry or fish. But if you need that, you have to go to them. But this is the same tub they have. This tub will also cross stack on there. Everything mounts up, so you have a lot of options with it. But that's why we sell a lot of them. Here's another version of that. This one's a little heavier duty. We do have an extra bar welded in there to give it strength. It has the same casters and everything, but I want you to be aware of that. Another cart we have is our 4-high. Now the 4-high, it works on slides. You can slide it on and off. You've got your levels, but then I also show an extra level up here. Again, when we weld these bars, we try and take advantage of these grooves so you can stack them. Same principle. If you want to put another one, you can go up on top. But this is a fantastic cart for what it's trying to do. It solves some problems. Then I've got my 6-high lug cart. Same concept as the other one. They're on slides. You can stack them on top. And then last but not least, and one of my favorites, is this is a multiple design lug cart. So basically, you've got a little bit more room between the runners. So you can turn around and put soiled linens. You can do this in about any environment, hospital environment, food environment. Throw their dishes in here. Again, use the gray tubs. It won't stain. They won't see that if you're pushing it around. And if you need to add tubs, you can always do the cross stack on them. For more information, give us a call at New Age Industrial or visit our website at newageindustrial.com. You'll see everything you need right there. Thank you for your time.